Here's Dish Anywhere app. So here's you can just go and install it. So it's a quite popular app and obviously network. And there's a special mobile app. So Dish Anywhere app, and you can watch all the TV channels you get at home on your iPhone or iPad. Enjoy all your live or recorded shows and movies anytime. Manage your home DVR from anywhere, and get access to thousands of on-demand movies and shows from Showtime, Stars, Epics, and many more. Take your live TV with you and enjoy watching all of your favorite sports, news shows, and movies. Schedule, manage, and watch your DVR recordings all from one place. Download your purchase shows and movies and watch them offline. Follow your favorite teams with the sports section. Set up to the minute stores and game info for NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL. Pair the Dish Anywhere with Apple TV. You can have some deals with T-Mobile. So, yep, that's basically what it is. You can just have it like that, and then so that's the app. And yeah, then you can just sign in. You need to sign into your Dish account, or you need to go with your TV provider. So that's basically what it is. And yeah, that's how you get started with Dish app. So that's what it is.